Yo, I'm Jay, and that's also me in the back of an off-roading vehicle trying to build a gaming PC.
But wait, I've never actually built a gaming PC, or a PC for that matter, in my entire life. So in this video, I'm actually going to be building a gaming PC whilst I'm at my desk, which is a normal environment. And throughout the video, I'm going to be contrasting that with how I got on building one in an off-road vehicle. And while we're on the topic of off-roading, let me show you what I'm up against.
First stage of this build, guys, I've got to install the CPU to the motherboard. I don't know how this is going to go. I was going to send it over some ramps. Let me get the motherboard out first.
Bro, it's a part of it, bro. You can't just say,
what do you mean?
You can't just say, oh, just let me get this out.
No, okay,
bro, I'm not waiting, bro.
Okay.
What do you mean? You think I'm going to wait, bro?
Before we get going though, I'd just like to run you through the parts that we need to build this PC. First up, a CPU. A CPU is like the brain of a computer that helps it think and do things like adding numbers, playing games, or even watching videos. A motherboard. A motherboard is like a big puzzle board that connects all the parts of your computer together so they can work together and do really nice things.
The CPU, it's going in the motherboard. Yo, you're making this easy for me, bro.
What are you talking about, bro? It's just a level 1. I'm just trying to give you a piece of the cake, you know what I mean? Not the whole thing.
These pins are extremely delicate, and you're being a cock.
You see this CPU right here? Let's get a little zoom on that. There are thousands of pins on that CPU. If one of them gets bent whilst off-roading, I think we're screwed.
Bro.
Yo, bro, I don't know where I'm going, you know.
Oh my God.
Actually, you know, I'm a reverse on this.
I've got it in! I've got the CPU in! Look, I actually got the CPU in.
Yo, I'm gonna pretend I know what the hell that is, bro.
Look at the motherboard. It's in.
Yo, bro, that just looks like dominoes and riddles to me, bro. I don't know what that means, bro.
But to be fair, I'd say you were doing it like a 20%, you know. Look, it's secure. I don't think I bent any pins either. The precision that took.
What would happen if you bent a pin? I'm not familiar with this.
Each one of them pins sends information to the motherboard, bro.
So, so if you bent one, then it's fucked,
It's
basically.
finished, bro. One pin bent and there's thousands of them.
So motherboard's like the brain, innit?
Yeah.
Oh,
so the CPU is the brain and like the motherboard's like the body.
Okay, I got it. It's clipped down, it's clipped down, it's clipped down. I think I've just installed the CPU. That wasn't so bad. What was all the fuss about?
I've successfully installed the CPU to the motherboard. I'm over the moon, yeah. Ramel did me a bit of a favour though, because he didn't kill it. He didn't go over the top, bro.
I didn't know the importance.
I know I shouldn't thank him for that, because I know what's going to happen next. So next up, guys, I think I'm going to install the RAM.
Next, some RAM. RAM is like the computer's short-term memory that helps it remember things while it's working, just like how you remember what you're doing while you're doing it. How am I going to do this in a moving vehicle? On bumpy terrain, bro.
Stage 2, ladies and gentlemen, I'm installing the RAM. We all know how this went when I was at home.
Oh God, this is scary. I don't want to break nothing. Oh God, that's horrifying. The sounds, I was hearing cracks and all sorts. Oh my, it's like an earthquake, bro. It's like someone's ACL just got torn. Second slot of RAM in. Round of applause for me in the comment section, please. Clapping emojis, that's what I want to see.
Nice and easy, yeah. Ain't gonna be easy this time. Oh my God, look at this route. Where are you taking me?
Forbidden territory.
Oh my God.
Are you gonna start or what?
Right, first piece of RAM in.
Come on, Mason, work harder, mate.
I'm trying, bro.
Work harder.
How am I meant to put this in there? Keep still.
Shut up.
Keep still. Oh my God. Bro, this is easy. I can do this. First, RAM. Oh shit, it's the wrong way around. I'm actually gonna do this. I'm actually gonna do this. First RAM in, first RAM in. One more piece to go. Bro, I feel like I could damage the RAM doing this, you know. Oh my God, I'm on the other side of the car. Here we go. Second slot of RAM. Keep still, bro. Keep still.
What's slanted?
Yo, no, I'm horizontal. Hell no! Bro, I've got it. Yes! Second slot of RAM! It's in! It's in! I got the RAM in! Not the ancient RAM in! The RAM in!
Yo! I was silent for time! I thought we were gone, bro!
The RAM is installed along with the CPU. The RAM's in, the CPU's in. Next up, the SSD. This is going to be horrible because the screws involved with this one, and we haven't had screws yet, so thank God for my magnetic screwdriver, that's all I'll say, all right.
An SSD is like a really fast and reliable backpack that helps your computer carry and find all its important files and programs quickly. So the SSD goes right in here. 1 terabyte SSD. I feel like my parts are screaming at me right now.
Okay, I need to unscrew the mounting part for the SSD now. You have no idea what that means. I've got a magnetic tray so I can keep all my screws nice and safe in there. There we go. There we go. There's the first screw. This is hard. This is much harder, bro. This is much harder.
Good.
Oh my God. The bracket for the SSD is out. I can get the SSD in. Let's go. 1 terabyte about to go into the motherboard. Oh my God, you motherfucker. Genuinely, one of the hardest tasks I've ever had to do. Keep still.
What are you talking
Oh, I just
about?
left my seat.
If you haven't liked this video right now, I suggest you do it. This is outrageous.
Yes. In. SSD in. SSD's in. Oh my God, I've just got to mount the chip.
Is that a sexual reference, bro?
Yes. The SSD's in. I've got storage on my motherboard now.
Yo, you're just talking French to me, bro. I don't know what that means.
There we go, that's the sound you want to hear, innit? This is easy. Why am I so scared? There's nothing to worry about. This is great. I'm having so much fun.
Am I the only person here that doesn't know how a PC works?
Ah, yes, yes, yes. Get it in, get it in. Let's go. Is it in? Is it in? Yes! Yes! No, the SSD came out.
Ah, yes!
No! I've got to unscrew the screw again, take the plate off and mount the SSD.
You've got to do everything again?
Yeah, just that last part. Okay, SSD's in place again. I've got it! I've got it! I've got it! Yes! 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 The SSD's in! Yo, bro. I think I put the SSD in upside down.
No, you haven't! You haven't! That's overconfidence, you know. He's like, this is too easy. You put it upside down!
No, it was getting easier, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna have to take it out and put it back in, alright? I'll see you in a second. Oh my God, Ramel, I've got something to tell you.
What?
I didn't even put it in the wrong way up. The RAM's in, the CPU's in, and the SSD's in. I think I have to install the water cooler next.
I'm gonna fit the motherboard to the PC case now. This is probably wrong. You're allowed to roast me in the comment section. I'm a human. Leave me alone. A case. A case is like a special house that keeps all the important parts of your computer safe and protected from dust, water, and other things that might damage it.
Now it's time to install the motherboard inside the case, and then I can put the cooler in on top of it. I'm not sure if that's the best order, because sometimes people put the cooler on when the motherboard's outside the case.
Yeah, I do that sometimes.
Yeah,
I just
yeah.
put the case on. And
On
then
Sundays?
I put the motherboard on, and then I add some chips.
Motherboard is going in. Shit, it's upside down.
What? Again?
I need to just put this temporary screw in to lock it in. Got a tree just hit me in the face.
Good.
It's time to empty my screw bag into my magnetic tray.
What does that mean?
Motherboard is going in. I've actually lined up all the screws. Figured it out, I figured it out. I just counted how many there were of one type of screw in this bag, and I counted how many holes there were on the motherboard, 4 screws, and there were 6. And I have 6 of those screws.
Bro, I'm trying to get my screws together. Oh God, you just gave me a...
Hernia. Have you finished yet?
I got it in.
Mason, hurry up.
I got it in, bro. Screws going in, another screw's going in. Motherboard's locked in. Let's go. Ah!
Yo, I'm starting to add a bit of suaveness to this driving.
Oh, I can tell, bro. The bumps have got worse.
One arm spin thing, you know, get me.
Can I get it in?
Yo, you're articulate, yeah?
Bro! Shut up! Shut your mouth!
Is that good or something?
Now it's time to do what I'm dreading the most, yeah? Apply thermal paste to the CPU and then attach the water cooler.
How does that even thermal paste? Well, you've got eczema cream on your damn PC.
Next up, we've got a CPU cooler. The cooler keeps the brain of your computer cool, just like a fan keeps you cool on a hot day.
Here's my water cooler, guys. Well, where's my thermal paste?
Oh, bro, I've got it here.
You see this? CPU cooler. There's a lot of cables involved with this. Oh my God. This is gonna go bad, bro. This is gonna go really bad. Oh, fuck.
Talk to me, man. Are you finished it? What are you doing now?
I'm installing
You
the
taking
fan.
a nap?
The cooler is bouncing all over the case. This cannot.
Is that good for it?
Take it, my fan goes like this. Oh, there's cables everywhere, bro. What are you doing, man? Tangling? Oh, God, it fell on my CPU. There's the 3rd screw. I'm getting there. There is the 4th screw.
It's taking so long.
I'm mentally struggling. This is very stressful.
You want me to help you?
No, stay away. Right, I've got it. I can screw it in. Yes! Come on. Yes! Exhaust fan is nearly
Who are
in.
you giving this to? Can I have it once you finish, bro?
You can have it if you want. I don't know if it's going to work. The exhaust fan is in. Can you see that right there? That's the exhaust fan. The CPU cooler. That's going to send the warm air out the back of the PC. Where's the screw, damn it, man?
This is by far the fiddliest thing I've ever had to do. I don't know how people make it look so easy.
How am I meant to find a screw, man?
Wait, isn't that a screw there? Look, right there. Oh, no, those aren't screws, sorry.
There's 100 screws, bro. This is a special screw that it's got a hook on it.
Oh, bro, duct tape, bro.
Yo, if an enthusiast heard you say that, bro.
He can't find the screw and he says it's a special screw. So I just said use duct tape. You can still use duct tape though, innit? Bro, James said you can use duct tape.
Okay, right, I'm screwing in the cooler. Can I start fitting these? What else does this cable do? USB, oh, brilliant.
I've done the CPU cooler. I've mounted it into the CPU. I can't believe I've actually done that, bro. RGB light is going in. Oh my God. Can I do this? I've actually done it. I've just done it. Little pinheads, bro.
Is that a bowling ball reference?
Oh my God. I've got it. Yes! We've got HD audio cables. Bro, this is trouble, man.
Mate, just do your best.
HD audio in. Yes! USB's in. This blue thing's got to go in now. That goes in there. There we go! We're nearly there. Fucking hell! Here's the power supply. Let's go. Power supply's getting mounted.
Oh, big ting.
Oh!
A power supply. A power supply gives your computer the energy it needs to turn on and work like batteries for a toy. Oh my God, it smells so lovely. In goes the power supply. Put it in upside down.
Power supply mounted. There's the motherboard power. Let's get that in. The power to the motherboard is in. CPU. That's getting fed at the back.
If that works, yeah, I'll give you 500,000 rupees.
Yeah, so you give me 8 quid. Is it in? CPU power's in.
Yeah!
Yes! GPU's going in. I'm nearly done. This should now be a working PC once I plug this in.
And you showed me you pull it in upside down. I lost all hope.
Look at the actual state of that. I'm about to press the on button, guys, right there. You ready? The fans are on. LEDs are on. I've got a signal light on my monitor. That's a good thing. Come on, give me the BIOS, bro. Give me the BIOS. Oh my God! Guys, I built my first PC. Just got to install Windows and I've got a perfect PC. I'm freaking out right now. My anus is pulsating. I wonder how the version of me off-roading's doing.
Oh my cock! I built the PC! Look at the state of it! I know it looks a state, yeah, but we're gonna go home and we're gonna test out if this actually works.
Honestly, bro, like GG's if it works, but I don't know how you pulled that off if it works.
Okay.
And now it's time for the moment of truth. I went to see a good friend of mine at Comtechnic, which is a local PC shop that has helped me with so many things in the past.
Right, so we're back at the PC shop, we're back at Comtechnic, and the main man himself is about to test my PC build, and he's gonna see if it actually turns on and we can load up the BIOS at least. But the main thing is, we're gonna see if we can install Windows and get Windows running. So, there's one thing I didn't do is the RGBs. If you saw how hectic it was in the car, the power button and that, because they're like individual single pins, that was the toughest part. Like I nearly like snapped a pin.
Let's just check all the connections. If you've done it right, it'll just work.
You're about to find out if the PC actually turns on. 3, 2, 1. I cannot believe this thing actually works with no modifications since I got back from the off-road track. I am so happy with how this has gone right now. You have no idea how over the moon I am. But it gets even better. That PC I built right there, he's tidying it up for me right now. As soon as that's done, I'm actually giving this PC away over on my Instagram. So if you go check my Instagram right now, there's a post on there. All you got to do is just like the post and leave a comment tagging a friend. Please go do that, and I'll pick one of you guys to send this PC to, and I'll send it like next day delivery. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next upload.